So we got the 2000 Excursion. We're driving down the street, but look. The speedometer's not working, and also the overdrive light is on no matter what you do. So according to the old interwebs, there's a speed sensor on the rear differential. And if that goes bad, that can cause both of these symptoms. So let's go around, change that, and see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, it's up on ramps, get ready to go underneath. Here's the sensor. It's a standard Motor Products SC84. Let's see what it looks like. Fits down in the differential. There's an O-ring there and electric connector there. That should be pretty easy. Let's go underneath and put it on. So there's one 3/8 inch bolt at the top there. You can't see it, but got the ratchet on there and just unscrew it. See the aftermarket sway bar I put on years ago. It really helps the handling of these things. So anyway, back at it. So the new one is screwed in place. The old one looked exactly the same. Let's see. Here's the old one. Kind of like a magnet. Some people use this as a gauge to see how dirty the inside of the rear end is, or how worn the inside of the rear end is with the shavings. That looks not too bad. Let's go for a drive, see what happens. I haven't been running a while, so we're gonna have to give it a boost with the NOCO boost. So let's, if there's no power, you have to push this button to get it going. It's got that exclamation point on there. So what I had to do is turn it off, turn it on again, hit that to, now you're forcing power through the cables. If it senses voltage, it'll do that automatically. All right, so now we've got something going here, I hope. Let's give it a start. There we go. Completely dead battery, V10 Excursion, started up with the 2000 amp NOCO. I've got a 1000 amp one also, and it'll start this thing from dead nothing as well. All right, let's go for a test drive. Well, look at that. Speedometer's working. $11 sensor, that was an easy fix. The hard part was knowing what to do. Thanks to, I can't remember if I saw it on a YouTube video or read it on the forums or both, but a quick Google search, speedometer inaccurate, or speedometer not working, and came up with that. So 2000 Excursion, haven't driven it in a while. Probably put some tires on it and get it going. It's a V10 gas 4-wheel drive. 285s on. It's supposed to come with 265, 75, 16. I put 285, 75, 16. Internet said that was the great tire for it and it would run fine and this and that and the other. Well, it killed any performance it had. Thing needs all the help it can get. It's 373 gears and V10, but maybe it doesn't make that much difference on a diesel. But this thing, it really killed and made the speedometer inaccurate, which I could have fixed with reprogramming, but the performance is just not there for pulling. So, gonna get the stock height tires when we go for new tires on it. Anyway, all right, folks. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. And we will catch you on the next one.